To play a Kahoot live online with students, the first step is to open up a video conferencing tool. So I've used Google Meet, but you can also use WebEx or a different tool. The most important thing is to know how to share your screen with students. So for Google Meet, we're going to use this present now, but first we have to find the Kahoot that we want to actually play. So in a new tab, I've just gone to Kahoot. And if you click on the Kahoots tab, this will take you to all of your games. So the games that you've created yourself will show up here in the middle, or any game that has been shared with you, or ones that you've searched for and starred as your favorites will show up here on the sidebar. Once you find a game that you want to play with your students, go ahead and click the green play button and then click Teach. From here, you have a couple different options that you can choose, and then since players have their own device, we're going to click Classic. This will take us to the lobby that we're going to share with students. First thing I'm going to do is mute so I can actually hear myself think. And then we need to share this screen with students. So we're going to go back to our video conferencing tool and click Present Now. If you have two monitors, I would recommend sharing your entire screen. That way you can have your Kahoot on one screen and then you can have your Google Meet on the other screen. If you only have one monitor, you can just share your Chrome tab. So we're going to click on Kahoot and click Share. So now students can see this screen and now they can join in. So students have two options. If they have a phone or a tablet, they can download the Kahoot app, type in this PIN number, and then pick a nickname and join that way. If students don't have a second device and they only have their Chromebook, they can do a split screen. So if this is what they're seeing on their Chromebook, they can hit the window right, and then that'll pin that over on the side. And then they can open up a new tab. And then if they click window left, that'll pin it over to the right. So now they can see your meeting. So this is like the teacher, what they're seeing from the Google Meet. And then over here, they would just type in kahoot.it and join the game using just their one Chromebook screen. So this is what a student would see if they're using their own computer, or they might be joining by phone, so they're going to type in their nickname. And now as the teacher, you can see on your screen, you've got a list of all the students who are joining the game. Now, if you need to kick out a student, you just click on their name, that'll remove them, and they'll have to type in a new nickname. So once all your players are in, you'll just click Start. And then the students will see the question here, and then they'll use their device to answer the question. And that's how you play online with students.